Hi everyone, Nisarg here from DataMites. So today's NumPy interview question is that how to multiply string element within a NumPy array. So basically we have a NumPy array and it has got some string element to it. And we are supposed to, multiply those strings element with certain number inside that NumPy array itself. How do we do it? So you know that when we have a string, let's say, when we have a string, let's say we have apple, okay? And when I say 3 times apple, we know that the string will simply get repeated 3 times because this is a property of a string. When a number is multiplied to it, it will simply get repeated the number of times. So today's question is that how do we do if the same thing is inside a NumPy array? So for that, I have to create a NumPy array. So I'll say import NumPy as NP, and then I'll simply create one array. I'll call it my ARR, and inside of it, I'll just take my name, Nisarg, Nikhil, Akash, Mayank. So there are 4 names, 4 strings altogether inside this NumPy array. Run this, and if I just run my NumPy array, you see 4 elements, string elements has been created inside a NumPy array. Okay. So now, how do we multiply each and every element with a certain number? For doing that, NumPy is having a functionality, and it's called as np dot char, means stands for character. Then inside of it, dot multiply. So this char dot multiply essentially asks us to give the NumPy array. So let me just give the NumPy array, and then it says that what is the number by which I have to multiply each and every string element inside the NumPy array. So over here, let's say, just for an example, if I put 3, and then I simply save this into variable called new array. And now when I print my new array, I could see that every string element inside my NumPy array has been multiplied 3 times. So this is how you multiply a string element within a NumPy array. Okay, thank you.